Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, a dream delayed, that is Sukhoi Su-57. It's been over a decade since the Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's first 5th generation fighter jet, took to the skies. Yet, despite its impressive capabilities, the aircraft has struggled to find widespread adoption, particularly among its traditional allies like India and China. India and China have long been major buyers of Russian fighter jets. However, both nations have taken different paths in the era of 5th generation fighters. Next, upgradation of Sukhoi 30MKI. The Indian Air Force and the HAL are embarking on a major upgrade program for their fleet of 84 Sukhoi 30MK1 fighter jets. This ambitious project will see a significant overhaul in the aircraft's avionics systems and components, with a focus on incorporating Indian-made technologies and weapon systems. While this move towards self-reliance is laudable, it also represents challenges in integrating Western weapons onto platforms originally designed for Russian armaments. Next, offer of hybrid propulsion for India's next-generation destroyers by Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce, a renowned name in the world of power and propulsion, has thrown its hat in the ring for India's upcoming next-generation destroyer program with a cutting-edge hybrid propulsion solution. This proposal promises not only enhanced operational capabilities but also improved efficiency and cost effectiveness. Next, fortification of borders with AntiDrone tech. The Indian government is close to finalize the deployment of sophisticated anti-drone technology across its borders, particularly along the contentious international border with Pakistan in Punjab and the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. This move comes in response to a surge in drone incursions from Pakistan, posing security and smuggling threats. Next, Pakistan eyes on Chinese stealth jets J-31. In a recent address, Pakistan's Chief of Army Staff, General Syed Asim Munir, confirmed the ongoing modernization of Pakistan Air Force arsenal, including the potential acquisition of advanced Chinese J-31 stealth fighter jets. This revelation offers a glimpse into Pakistan's strategic outlook and its effort to maintain regional aerial dominance. Next, demonstration fast reactor fuel reprocessing plant. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday dedicated in the nation the rupees 400 crore demonstration fast reactor fuel reprocessing plant at the Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakkam. The plant is a pilot for the bigger facility that would come up to reprocess the fuel that would come out of the 2 more 500 megawatt prototype fast breeder reactors that would come up later. Next, joint mega military exercise of India and UAE to begin. Armies of India and the United Arab Emirates on Tuesday kick-started the inaugural edition of a 2-week military exercise in Rajasthan's Mahajan area, reflecting the growing defense engagement between the two countries. The exercise Desert Cyclone is aimed at enhancing interoperability in sub-conventional operators in desert and semi-desert terrains under the broader framework of UN Charter on Peacekeeping operations, the Indian Army said. Next, Gaza likely to be split in two parts. The Gaza Strip is likely to be split in two parts, while the Palestinian tribal clan will administer both the parts separately rather than a single political party after the war between Hamas and Israel comes to an end, media reports said. Reports suggest that as per the Israeli army plan, the tribes can be tasked with the civil administration of Gaza and will oversee the distribution of humanitarian aid for a temporary period. Media reports also said that the plan is likely to be presented to the Israel War Cabinet for further endorsement. Thank you.